Even, all right, let's go to your writing over here. Let's see, where are we? Here it is. Okay. Chose time is money, I think, because it's a short proverb. It made it a little more difficult to come up with a lot of variations. I often found myself sketching images that were more metaphoric, such as the numbers on the clock being a dollar sign. I can see where you've really started to explore here. And I think one of the things that with this kind of really super direct three-word proverb is that it's difficult to come up with several variations, as you said. So really what ends up happening here is this, we can go ahead and jump over as we can see. Your first one, I think, is the most effective. I do. I think the first one, the hourglass with the bags of money, I actually think this is probably a little more compelling than the bag of cash. So I'm thinking time is money. And also I think using the word is okay. So hourglass is, and then the piles of cash and coin as opposed to the money bag. So time is money, right? Metronome, I'm not so sure. It's, I mean, beats per minute, kind of timing, um, cadence, other things that kind of come to mind when I think of the metronome. So I don't think that the metronome is as effective as the hourglass. And honestly, I don't think that the clock is even as effective as the hourglass. This is really super interesting. This approach here is really interesting. Time, tie, time equals M1Y. It works. It's just a little difficult to sound it out. And I think the reason that this isn't as successful as some of the others is that you're using the M's and the Y's. So you really only have two symbols. The rest are letters. Time equals, this is great. Time is money. Again, I would use is as opposed to equals, but this is good. This is great. And then these seem like you were just kind of experimenting here. I think it's really interesting. I think this could be probably misconstrued more as a symbol than a rebus. So think about that. But nonetheless, it's a fantastic exercise. It's attractive, and really it works. Same thing with this, is I don't understand, kind of extension of that secondhand. So in summary, I think this is fantastic. And I think this in combination with this is fantastic too. So, and then of course your explanations are fantastic. So I'll tell you what, just think about it and gather my comments as well as the comments of your peers and really start thinking about the most expeditious and direct way to present this. And we'll look forward to seeing your final project. All right, great job. Thank you very much.